Good morning. Today is Thursday morning. Ang kalalabas ko lang guys sa my house. You know that. Kasi guys, I'm washing the dishes in my clothes. You know, my t-shirt guys. You know, and my short test. You know guys. So tapos na kasi ako naglalaba. You know, so dito na ako sa labas namin. Nagano muna ako. Walk kikik kokok walk guys, you know. And then so tapos naman ako maglaba, so I'm here lang walking guys, you know. And then tapos na kasi ako ng ngapi eh. So alam niyo guys, grabe no, ang klima kasi, alam mo niyo guys, ang klima doon ang klima sa gawas guys, you know, white, pero ang klima sa tuwa guys, ngano mag-green man, magililo. Joke. Klima. Guys, so, you know guys, so I'm here and walk guys. So alam niyo guys, the air and the clouds guys, maybe I think not understanding today because so very dagumin gamay guys, you know guys. I'm walking guys, you know, the government. So I don't know if I have so many rainy siguro guys, or long pressure lang talaga. Meron ba talaga long pressure because the airs in the clouds in the langits, you know, is not understanding because I don't know have, you know, so dumadagom siya guys. So you know guys, I'm here guys. So this is finally guys, tapos na ako maglalaba guys. So shout out to all to friends and supporters, and welcome to my YouTube channel called Andre Vonghan, and my TikTok LPjo1988, and then my reels. Thank you for that guys, you know guys.